Morning students, we are doing fourth question of exercise 4.1. We are doing some important question of this chapter. Rest questions we will do in July, okay, of this chapter. So fourth question is, how many lines can pass through one given point? If one point is given, so how many lines can pass through it? Its answer is infinite. Okay, through one point, infinite line we can pass. Now next is, if two given points are given, now how many lines can pass through? If 2 points are given, so only one line can pass through from them. Okay, only one line. Next, first question of exercise 4.2. Classify the following curves as open or closed. You have to tell these curves are open or closed. Now this is open curve because it is open from that side and from that side. So this is open curve. This is closed. Why? Because it is closed from all directions. So it is closed. This is also closed. This is open because it is open from here. So this is open curve and this is closed curve. Next, third question of exercise 4.2. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. What is polygon? The figure that are made up of line segments, not with curved side. The figures that are made up of from line segments, then that figures, those figures are called polygons. Say here, draw any polygon and shade its interior. So you can draw a triangle also. Triangle is also polygon. Or you can draw any figure that made up by line segments, straight line, not curved line segments, line segments. And he's saying shade its interior. So shade it with pencil. You have to draw this figure with pencil. Don't use pen. When you are drawing any figure in maths, so use pencil, not pen. Okay. And one more thing is that if I am making a circle, this is not a polygon because it is in curve shape. Okay? So this is not polygon. Next, second question. In the given figure diagram, name the points in the interior of angle DOE. Interior means under. Angle DOE. DOE is DOE. This angle. He is talking about angle DOE. इसके अंदर जो पॉइंट्स हैं, इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स, यू हैव टू राइट दैट पॉइंट. सो इंटीरियर DOE, only one point is there, that is A. So here is only A point. In the exterior of angle EOF, EOF, this angle now. Now you have to tell the exterior points of EOF. इसके बाहर एक तो C है, one is C. Second, look at here. EOF के बाहर there is A also and you can write D also. They all are exterior of EOF. इस side we will see that side also and that side also. On angle EOF. On मतलब उस angle EOF की किसी भी line पर. EOF. On that angle there is only B point. So its answer is B. Now third question of exercise 4.3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. You read about angles in 5th class, है ना? So he's saying you have to draw two angles like that one point in common between them. So how we will draw? First of all, I will make one angle like this. Okay. This is one angle. I am giving name A, B and C. Now he's saying draw two angles. So I am making another angle here. And I am giving name E, F. This is another angle. Now two angles here, angle 1, angle 2. Now he is saying one point in common. Now in these two angles, which point is common? Common means जो दोनों angles में repeat हो रहा है. This is angle A, B, C. This is angle E, B, F. So B point is common between two angles. So here you will write B point is common. Okay. Next is one ray in common. Ray, you know what is the sign of ray? This is the sign of ray. Okay. So you have to draw two angles like that. Keep one ray in common between them. So how we will make? First of all, I make here line. Now there are two angles. I will give name A. You can give any name. B, C, D. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. Okay. Now, first angle name is A, B, D. Second angle name is A, B, C. Which ray is common between these two angles? That is AB. ABD. In ABD, AB is coming. In ABC, AB is coming. So which ray is common? AB. So you will write AB ray is common. Next, first question of exercise 4.4. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior, means under, and a point Q in its exterior, bahar. Or is the point A in its exterior or its interior? So first of all, we will make a triangle ABC. You have to draw these with pencils, with scale and pencils. So you will make here angle A, B, C. Okay. Now I think mark a point P in its interior. In interior, we will mark a point P. Then Q in its exterior. You can take anywhere. Here, here, here. I am taking here, outside, exterior, here. Now he is saying, is the point A, this point A, in its exterior or its interior? ये इसके अंदर है या बाहर है? It is not interior. It is not in exterior. It is on the triangle. This point is on the triangle. So we will write point A is on the triangle ABC. Okay, or you what you will write? Point A, neither point A So point A is neither on its exterior nor its interior. So rest of questions we will do in July of this chapter. Okay, revise these questions and I am giving you answer key of previous questions.